Om Namah Shivaya. Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the dislocation of the shoulder joint. Dislocation of shoulder joint mostly occurs inferiorly because the joint least supported on this aspect. It often injures the axillary nerve because of its close relation to the inferior part of the joint capsule. Because this axillary nerve has the close relation to the inferior part of the joint capsule. However, clinically it is described as anterior or posterior dislocation, indicating whether the humeral head has descended anterior or the humeral head has descended posterior or to the infraglenoid tubercle of the scapula and long head of triceps. Okay guys, this is the description. Next, coming to the dislocation is usually caused by excessive extension and lateral rotation of the humerus. The dislocation usually caused by the excessive extension and lateral rotation of the humerus. Clinically, it is represented as halo in rounded contour of the shoulder, prominence of the shoulder tip. These are the clinical features of the dislocation of shoulder joint: halo in, rounded contour of the shoulder and prominence of the shoulder tip. See this figure guys. This is the glenoid cavity and this is the head of the humerus. Are you able to observe here this inferior dislocation of the head of the humerus, inferior dislocation of the head of the humerus, and the clinical features that you observe in the dislocation of shoulder joint is prominence of shoulder dip. See here, this is the prominence of the shoulder tip, and hallowing in shoulder contour. Hallowing in shoulder contour. See here guys, this is the hallowing in shoulder contour and this is the prominence of shoulder tip. Okay guys, this is about the dislocation of shoulder joint. If you like my explanation, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe and don't miss the notifications. Thank you guys.